Dear students, good morning. This is Devaraj from Avinash College of Commerce. Today we are discussing the problem relating to continuous series arithmetic mean. So, if the question is given, calculate the arithmetic mean from the following data. The data is given value and frequency 0 to 4, 5 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, 60 to 69, 70 to 79. So here question is very simple, that calculation of arithmetic mean. There are the three methods. One is the direct method, second is the shortcut method, and third one is the step deviation method. These are the three methods we have to learn. But in this question, if you observe, data is given in inclusive method. But previous one we learned data is given in exclusive method. If the data is given in inclusive method, whether it is given in inclusive method and exclusive method, application of the procedure will be the same. But thing is what, when we are calculating the arithmetic mean, class intervals must be equal. Either it is an inclusive method or else it is an exclusive method. Right? If you observe, these from 10 to 19, 20, all the difference is 10, but except these first two difference. First one is 0 to 4, second is 5 to 9. From the third onwards, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39. Whenever we are calculating the arithmetic mean, class intervals must be equal. But here first two class intervals are differences 5 and 5. 0 to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 to 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 to 9 and 0 to 4. By adding these two, so when we want to calculate the arithmetic mean, class interval must be equal. If the data is given, it is possible to arrange the equal class interval, we have to arrange the equal one. First class interval we have to take as the 0 to 9. First one we should take as 0 to 9. When we are taking 0 to 9, so this 0 to 9 remaining all the difference is 10, and this is also we are making as 10. Like that we have to calculate. Okay. First one, point A, calculation of arithmetic mean by direct method. So whatever the formula for the direct method formula is x bar equals to summation fm by n. So in that class intervals are given and frequencies. Take the columns, first one class interval, second frequency, third mid values for fm. So here we are taking as the class interval of 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, 60 to 69. But what about the frequency? When we are adding this two class interval, frequency also to be added. Frequency will be 328 plus 350. 328, 350 which is collectively 678. Then 720, then 664, then 598, 598, 524, 378 and 44. The remaining procedure will be the same. Whatever that procedure. First we have to calculate the mid values. How to calculate mid values? Lower limit plus upper limit by 2. These left hand side values are called lower limit, right hand side values are called upper limit. 0 plus 9 divided by 2, which you will get 0 plus 9 divided by 2, 4.5. Then 10 plus 19 by 2, you will get as 14.5. 20 plus 29 by 2, 29, 24.5, 34.5, 44.5, 54.5, like 64.5. So we should add the lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. You will get these one mid values. Now, formula is what? Summation fm by n. We have to calculate f into m. First one, 678.4.5. 678 into 4.5. Right? That value to 305. Right? Next, 720 into 14.5, 10,440. Just use the calculator, find it of that. And the next one, and 664. I'm using the calculator, you also use the calculator. 664 into 24.5, 16,268. In examination, it is allowed to use the calculator. Next, 598 into 34.5, 20,631. Next, 524 into 44.5, 23,318. Next, so actually normally everyone they are doing the problem first, they will explain that one, but at that time it is not problem. So for that reason I am explaining 1.1. You have to also calculate 378 into 54.5, which is 20,601. And the next one, 244 into 64.5, 15,738. This is EF. And these are the two columns we have to calculate. First we have to calculate EF into M. 678 into 4.5, 720 into 14.5, 664 into 24.5, like that we have to calculate all multiplication of F into M. These we got. Now we have to add this one and add this one. So now I am adding, okay, 15,738. So first one, 3051 plus 10,440 plus 16,268 plus and 20,631 plus 23,118 plus 20,601 plus 15,738. It will be 1,10,047. Right? Same like the one we have to find the total frequency also. 678 plus 720 plus 664 plus 598 plus 524 plus 378 plus 244, 3,806, which is EM 3806. This is summation EM. Okay, these are the two totals we have to calculate. Okay, then after calculating of that, we have to apply the mean formula. So direct method formula x bar equals to summation Fm by n, 1,10,047 by 3,806. So division of this, whatever the division of that, so it will be 1,10,047 by 3,806, which is 28.91. So total of this entire all 3,806 members, average equals to what individually 28.91. This is arithmetic method. That's arithmetic method, direct method. Same like that only, we have to apply the shortcut and as well as step deviation method, right? Continuously explain. Understood this part? Yes. Which is the direct method. Now, so I'm explaining about the shortcut method. So which is P point, calculation of arithmetic mean by shortcut method. So in the procedure will be the same, class intervals we have to take, frequency we have to take, mid values we have to take, right? In the addition to this, class interval, frequency, mid values, D, okay, and EF. The formula will be x bar equals to A plus summation FD by N. So in that first we have to calculate. So take the information as it is, right? Class interval, frequency, mid values. D equals to what? M minus E. Assume any number in column M. Right? better to take the mid value. Okay, either 24.5 or 34.5. I took as the 34.5. 4.5 minus 34.5. You will get as minus 30. And 14.5 minus 34.5 minus 20. So minus 10, 0, 10, 20, 30. If you observe, this A value should be deducted from these mid values. From these mid values, we have to deduct this A. You will get minus 30, minus 20, minus 10, 0, 10, 20, 30. Now F into D. These are the F. 678 into 30. Okay, that is when we are getting the negative, we take as the negative sign. Okay, that is 20,000 minus 20,340, right? Plus into minus, minus 678 into 30, 20,340. Next one is what? 720 into minus 20, it will be minus 14,400. Next, 664 into minus 10. 664 into minus 10, it will be minus 6,640. Any value into 0, 0. 524 into 10, 5,240. 378 into 20, it will be 7,560 plus into plus 244 into 30, which is 7,320. Now we should add the positives and deduct the negatives. Add this plus and so from that subtract the minus. So which is first one. So first plus 5,240 plus 7,560 plus 7,320. Right? We got some value 20,120. From that we should deduct 20,340 minus 14,400 minus 6,640. 21,260. Summation FD minus 21,260. Right. So N equals to same. Now here formula will be the x bar equals to A plus summation FD by M. This is the formula for the continuous race shortcut method. A 34.5 plus minus 21,260 by 3,806. Then 34.5 plus into minus minus 21,260 by 3,806. First we have to subtract that one. 21,260 divided by 3,806. It will be 5.589. Okay, this is the 5.589. So 34.5 minus 5.589. Okay, it will be 28.91. Right? In the shortcut and the direct, we got the same one. Direct method and as well as shortcut method. And not only that, another one more method also we can apply, that is a step deviation method. Right? First one direct, now shortcut explanation. Now under the step deviation method, formula will be the x bar equals to A plus summation FD x by L into C. But how to find? Class interval frequency mid values till the D. D values are same. Right? Now remove this FD, erase that one. So here 4 columns as it is, and dx and fdx. Dx and fdx. See here, up to the same, okay, whatever the values are D calculation, till the D calculation is same. D, how to calculate the D? D by C. D indicates what deviation, C indicates what common difference. Whatever the common difference of everyone, 10. Minus 30 by 10, which is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Because minus 30 divided by difference is 10. Minus 30 by 10, minus 3. Minus 20 by 10, minus 2. Minus 10 by 10, minus 1. Like that, we have to calculate this one. Now, these frequencies are multiplied with dx. frequencies are multiplied with the dx, same as usual. 678 into minus 3, right? 678 into minus 3, it will be 2034, plus into minus minus 2034. Next, 720 into 2 minus 2 minus 1440. 664 into minus 1 minus 664, any value into 0, 0. 524 into 1 524. 378 into 2 756. 244 into 3 732. Now add positives, deduct the negatives. Positives are, one is 732, second 756 plus 524. These are the three values we have to add from that minus. Okay, minus 2034 minus 1440 minus 664. It will be 2126 minus 2126. Right? This is the table. From this table, after this, we have to calculate the, first we have to complete the statement in the class interval frequency mid values of d, dx and f dx. Formula will be x bar equals to a plus summation f dx by n into c. Right? That is the formula. So whatever the a, right? A we substituted, a we have taken 34.5 plus f dx minus 2126 by 3806. Difference of the class interval is what? Every difference is what? C, nothing but difference of the class interval 10. 34.5 plus into minus minus 2126 into 10, 21,260 by 3,806. 34.5 minus 21,206 divided by, just a moment, 21 to 60, not 206, 260 by 3,806, which is 5.585. So we have to subtract that one from 34.5. So you got 28.91. Okay, whatever the value, whatever the average we are calculating the three methods, we must get 3. Direct method, shortcut method, step deviation, in all the 3 methods, we have to get the same answer. So 28.91 we got. In this problem, we learned additionally what? When the class intervals are not given equally, any two, first, as per this problem, what happened? First 2 class intervals are given differently, remaining all the class intervals are given 10 equally 10, 10, 10. So if you applied it directly by taking as usual, it is wrong. We have to understand the question, see the question, understand the question, then whatever the requirements is there, we have to complete that. Okay, so like that we practice, students. Okay, thank you so much, and keep on practicing the problems. I'll upload the videos. Okay, so arithmetic completed. Right, this is Devaraj. Thank you so much.